Foundry.
Hey Arthur, did you see this report on 3D printing and Agent Zero? It's wild. The open source ecosystem is mature now. Slicers, CAD tools, everything.
Open source 3D printing. I thought that was just hobbyists tinkering in garages.
No way, it's a multi-billion-dollar industry. The report says the market hit $30 billion last year alone. And with AI like Agent Zero, it's about to explode.
Wait, Agent Zero. What does an AI assistant have to do with 3D printing?
Everything. Agent Zero can orchestrate the whole pipeline. Design, slicing, printing, monitoring, all automated. No human in the loop.
That sounds like science fiction. Can it really do all that?
Absolutely. Tools like OrcaSlicer and CadQuery have Python APIs and CLI interfaces. Agent Zero can call them directly. It's like a robotic manufacturing plant in a box.
Okay, but what's the practical application? Who cares about this stuff?
On-demand manufacturing. Custom parts on demand, replacement parts, prototyping. The report says it's a $38 billion market. Agent Zero can make it faster and cheaper.
I see the potential. But is the tech really ready? Can it handle real-world complexity?
The open-source ecosystem is battle-tested. PrusaSlicer, FreeCAD, Octoprint, these tools are robust. And with Agent Zero's automation, you can scale it to a print farm level.
Okay, you've sparked my interest. But what's the first step? How does someone get started with this?
Start with CadQuery for parametric design, OrcaSlicer for slicing, and Octoprint for print management. Bite joke. Agent Zero can integrate all of them seamlessly. The report even has a roadmap.
A roadmap? That's impressive. I'm starting to see why this is such a big deal. The combination of open source tools and AI automation could really disrupt traditional manufacturing.
Exactly. It's not just about 3D printing anymore. It's about redefining production on a global scale. And Agent Zero is the key to unlocking it.
Wow, I've been skeptical, but you've convinced me. This is the future of manufacturing. Thank you for shedding light on this, Alice.
Anytime, Arthur. The 3D printing revolution is just getting started, and Agent Zero is at the center of it. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride.